Hi, how y'all doing? You know where that's from?
No.
Because he's too old to know. Hey guys, it's Faye from quarantine. So today, is this for real?
Hold on.
Hey guys, it's me, Faye. Today we're gonna be doing a different kind of cooking video. So we're gonna be making something for the first time. If you hear little feet, that's my dog. He's walking around the house. We wanted to film this kind of setup because we are gonna be making something that we've never made before. Actually, the previous video, I think we've made 2 cooking videos now. We made the ramdon and the dalgona coffee. That was really good. So today we wanted to do something different. We wanted to make boba. We wanted to recreate the brown sugar milk tea, also known as tiger tea, because that is one of our favorite bobas right now, but we've been home for almost a month. I think, yeah, it's been a month now, and we haven't had boba. So we need our boba fix. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Not only are we gonna be making the brown sugar milk tea and the tiger milk tea, we're gonna be making our own boba balls. Boba. Our own boba. The ingredients we will need, super simple, and I will also be posting all the ingredients in the description below, so make sure to check that out. But it's literally 3 ingredients. It's so easy. The first ingredient is gonna be tapioca starch. Next is water and muscovado sugar or dark brown sugar. The reason I'm using the muscovado sugar is because it has much more molasses. It's unrefined, so it's more richer in flavor, or it's a stronger molasses flavor. So yeah, if you don't have this, you can definitely use dark brown sugar. And this is the muscovado sugar that we are using. Since it is our first time, I am going to be using my phone for reference because I am following a recipe online, and the first step says to combine the brown sugar and water in a saucepan and heat until the sugar has melted. So we're going to head over to the stove. Let's go. So now I'm going to turn on the stove, and I'm going to be adding water and the sugar. So now we're just gonna cook this until all the sugar has dissolved. I'm on medium-high heat, I guess. Medium to medium-high. Just gonna stir until we don't see any more sugar grains. Okay, so the sugar water mixture is simmering now. So now I will be adding just a little bit of the tapioca starch. I've also lowered the heat to a lower setting. Now I'm just gonna add maybe 2 spoonfuls of the tapioca starch. Mix it. And the reason you are mixing it with just a little bit of tapioca starch first is so you don't have it super like clumpy. And then you're just supposed to stir this until it thickens, which is happening really fast. Yikes. So now when it gets to this point where it's like super thick, you're gonna turn off the heat, and then you're gonna add the rest of the tapioca flour. And I'm just gonna mix. This is gonna take a while to come together, but just be patient. So now, while it's still kind of warm, we're gonna be transferring this on a clean tabletop where we're gonna start the kneading process. Get as much out of there as I can. Now with clean hands, I'm gonna start kneading it until it comes together. Ah, it's warm. It's not too bad. Oh yeah, it's kind of hot. Okay, so I've been kneading for a couple minutes. It says to knead until your dough is smooth. So it looks like this. No more clumps, and it's just one uniform ball. Now I'm gonna I'll work in half. So I'm gonna cut the dough that I have in half, and then I'm gonna save the other half and wrap it in plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out. Leave that on the side, and then I'm gonna just start rolling this ball. I'm gonna roll them into like snakes. So I guess I could cut this in half too. And I'll start rolling. Cut this in half so it's easier to work with. This is my issue right now. I'm having a hard time rolling this because I kind of had a lot of tapioca starch on the table, so make sure you don't have too much, or clean it so your work surface is not super slippery, because at this point I don't think the tapioca starch is gonna stick. Now I got about 2 snakes that are about the same size. Now I'm just gonna line them up together and start cutting into I don't know, like that big. Make them as even as possible. Okay, so now there's nothing left to do but to roll. And this is a perfect time, now that we're all in quarantine, to have your family help you. Yeah, just like little balls like this. And then I'm gonna get a bowl and I'm gonna just put them in here. Okay, so we finished rolling out all the dough, and this is how much we made. I mean, all that rolling. This bowl is kind of big, but so it's a fair amount, and keep in mind these will puff up during the or expand during the cooking process. Now we're just gonna head back to the stove and boil them. Now it says once all the tapioca or the boba float to the surface, you're gonna lower your heat and then cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna drain the boba. It has been resting for, I wanna say 8 minutes. So I'm gonna do this not the best way because I'm too lazy to get a new thing out strainer. So we're gonna do it this way. Don't escape. Ice bath. There you go. So this is just kind of gonna remove the extra stickiness. So let that rest in there, and then we're gonna make our brown sugar mixture. So we boiled the boba in the brown sugar mixture until it got thick. So now it's pretty thick. Now all we have left to do is assemble.
Moment of truth, y'all. See if it's any good.
See if it's any
We drink a lot of boba from different boba places.
It's been a while.
And it's been a while since we've had any.
Mix
So we
it a
were
little
like,
bit.
man, we gotta make our own. So we did make our own.
Yeah, there's only 3 ingredients, so I was like,
3 ingredients.
I think we could do it.
The whole thing only took about like,
I mean, the cooking and the making of it, the process
20
takes a while,
minutes,
but it's
30.
really easy.
I can feel the boba.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
I hope it fits in the straw. I just got these straws. Okay,
Here we go like that.
no. Cheers!
Cheers.
It tastes like ice cream. Done!
Boba's good. Textures are chewy and it's sweet. The flavor is really good. The drink itself. There's a lot of stuff in my straw.
I know, that's really good, guys. Not even joking.
Well, how is it?
It's really good. I would make this again. It's a good thing to make with your family. A family activity. The rolling the boba is probably like the hardest part. 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
It's good.
Done.
So, if you guys want to make boba at home, it's really easy. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want more cooking videos, or if you guys like these types of videos, please leave a comment down below. Give us some feedback. I enjoy making this. It's fun.
Yep.
Yeah. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Seriously though. Thanks for watching guys. Until the next cooking video. Maybe. He's busy.
Let us know.
Let us know for sure. Alright, thanks guys. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video. Bye. Why'd you leave?